Hi, I just finished getting ready and I'm going to the pottery studio because I've thrown some jugs and some like mugs, cups, and I need to pull handles. But later I have to help a friend because she's moving in with her boyfriend. I just got into the studio, but my time is limited. I only have 1 hour, so let's do everything within this hour. Here are my pots under the plastic. Hopefully they dry well. And here I have more. And here, oh god, I have some clay. And here are all my other pots that are fully dry, which also have my maker's mark, kind of. They're quite fragile, so I am quite afraid to handle them that easily while filming, but yeah, that's how they are. I think I can stack them, kind of, because when I base fire, I can do it as well, so I'm gonna do it anyways. This is like a bowl. I don't know if it's going to be good. starting by switching all the lights on. So today I'm going to trim some of the things that I have here. They're pretty good hard. I'm gonna trim 3 of them. We try to pull hand